Oh, that's a pretty bird. I don't know what kind it is. That is pretty. Today is Saturday, April 20th, 2019. It is 76 degrees in here, and it's getting later in the month than I'd like it to be. We're still, of course, we got a bunch of rain the other day, so that kind of messed up getting the tires on the Silver Streak, because now the ground is mushy again. However, I brought my vent hood over here. I gave it one more coat of spray paint. It's a metallic finish, and then I have clear coat to cover it with, as I've already previously said. I set my wood out here that I'm going to make shelving out of, and I am going to work on the corner pieces today. I finally scored some power. Yay! So my templates are not very good, so I'm going to make cardboard templates instead. That way I can draw it out on this piece of wood over here and cut my templates and hopefully get the corner pieces down today. That would be great. Okay, so here is my template. And yes, there is a little bit of open section right here, which I will remedy when I cut the wood. I'll just trim it a little bit longer. Okay, I put a notch right here because I want to be able to slide the wood under my braces here. And I left a little overlap on this side because of that. So I'll notch it out here, leave the overlap, and then trim off what I need to. Okay, so I notched out the cardboard right here, and I sewed that down in there. So yes, my overlap will compensate for the distance on the wall here. Now to make the other template for the other corner. I cleared up my living room area. It just had too much stuff everywhere. So I put the stove under the table for now, and took all the wood and put it outside for now. Got my 10 plates cut, so they're ready. And I can't wear knee pads because I have really sensitive skin. It'll break out the skin behind my knees. So I have this sponge mat that I use as a kneeling pad. So that'll help. Okay, looks a lot better. Now let's move on to the next phase of my project. Actually, you know what? I got some tedious stuff I have to do. The black electrical tape is not sticking to the walls like I thought it would. I could not find the glass tape that I needed to use, so I am going to use strips of duct tape and tape up the electrical. I love my little Dremel Ultra Saw. This thing rocks. It's all I need for this project, as far as saws go. And of course my little table, which comes in handy. I got my piece of wood cut out for behind the stove area, and I still have to cut out a piece for this area back here, through here. Let me let's see if a camera can see it. Yeah, through there. So I need to measure that distance and to get another piece cut, and then my pieces will be cut and ready to be installed after my electrical gets finished. So we're going to there's an electrical thing under here, and so that I've just rough cut it for now to see how it would fit, and it fits. So, but I still, you know, have to put the insulation in before I put the wall up. But we have to finish the power before I put the insulation in to put the wall up. And we'll have to drill another hole through that board to run the other wire through. I got my second piece of wood cut to go in behind the drawer area, and I will work on that tomorrow. Hopefully my electrician can come down here early enough so I can at least get this back wall up, and then I'll work on cutting my boards for my corner pieces too. I have to call it a day because I need to go dog sit. My drawers are sitting right here, patiently waiting. Oh yeah, the what is it called? The clear coat did not work. I may have gotten too close, I don't know, but it did not work. I don't like what it did. It made pock marks all over the place. I may have gotten too close. And of course here, it dripped and smeared, so that's not good. So I'm either going to hit it with another coat of paint, or maybe get the hammered nails finished and go with the rugged look. It's already rugged looking though, isn't it? But the hammered nails finish would hide all the flaws. So I might just do that.